Ashtabula Lakeshore, Cuyahoga, Geauga, Holmes, Lake, Lorraine, Mahoning, Medina, Portage, Stark, Summit, Trumbull, and Wayne, and the following counties in Pennsylvania: Crawford, Erie Inland, and Erie Lakeshore. High wind warning in effect from 7 a.m. Sunday to 7 a.m. Eastern Standard Time Monday. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a high wind warning, which is in effect from 7 a.m. Sunday to 7 a.m. Eastern Standard Time Monday. The high wind watch is no longer in effect. Timing: Sunday morning through Monday morning. Winds: west 25 to 35 miles an hour with gusts up to 65 miles an hour, with the strongest winds likely along the lakeshore of Lake Erie. Impacts: damaging winds will blow down trees and power lines. Widespread power outages are expected. Travel will be difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. A high wind warning is issued when sustained winds of 40 miles an hour or stronger is expected, with gusts of 58 miles an hour or more. Secure all loose property. Damage to trees, power lines, and property is likely. High-profile vehicles can be blown over. A weather message.
Wow, I've never
For
seen
the
that
following
before.
county: Ashland, Ohio. High wind warning in effect from 4 a.m. Sunday.